Good day everyone, my name is Noiji Makarang and now we're going to tackle about what is depreciation. But before we start, tagaan na to og meaning una ang depreciation, iyang key elements, ang iyang way sa pag-answer. Let's get started. So first, what is depreciation? Depreciation mao ni ang pag-ubos sa value sa imo ang property nga gipalit after sa imong paggamit for how many years. So, basic ra siya no, mao ni siya ang pag-ubos sa value sa imo ang property. Like for example, nagpalit ka og phone karon for 15k. So after 5 years, expect kang mogamay ang value ana imo ang phone kay due to mga issue niya like lag na siya. So, mao na siya ang depreciation. So first element niya is ang first cost. First cost mo ni siya ang original price sa imo ang property nga imong gipalit before nimo siya gigamit. So mao na siya ang first cost. Next is the salvage value. Ang salvage value mao ni siya ang amount nga nawala sa imo ang property nga gigamit after sa many years. For example, nagpalit kag phone 15k and then after 5 years na siya salvage value nga 3k. Mao na siya ang pasabot-an. So the next is the economic life of the property. So ang economic life of the property mao ni siya ang kanang years nga pwede nimo siya magamit or lifespan sa imo ang property nga gipalit. So mao to siya. So next is ang depreciation charge. Nakakuha ni siya in year. Naka-indicate ni siya in year. Sunod ang M. So, ang M, mo ni siya ang anytime before ka molapas adtong N or lifespan sa usa ka product or sa imuang property. So, next is ang book value or book value after M years. Katong M nga imong motong specific time before sa N. And then, sunod ang total depreciation and years. Let's consider this example. A machine has an initial cost of 50,000 pesos and a salvage value of 10,000 pesos. After 10 years, find the annual depreciation and book value after 5 years. In answering this problem example, we can use the straight line method. So let me first explain what is the straight line method. So the straight line method is the simplest and the most common depreciation technique, which allocates an asset's cost evenly over its useful life. It assumes that the asset loses value at a constant rate each period, so the depreciation expense is the same every year. In a straight line method, to get the depreciation, it is just equals to the first cost minus the salvage value over the economic life of the property in years. And also to get the total depreciation or the D sub M is just equals to the depreciation charge times the M or any time before the N. To also get the book value is just equals to the first cost minus the total depreciation in years or the M years per year. In the problem, ang napangita is ang the total depreciation after 5 years ug ang iyang book value pod after 5 years. Ang formula ni pangitaon sa natudaan si depreciation charge, which is equals to the formula of first cost minus the salvage value over the economic life of the property in years, which is the N. So 50,000 minus 10,000 over 5 years is equals to 4,000. So to get the total depreciation after 5 years or D sub 5 equals to the formula of the depreciation charge times the M or the any time before the N, which is the 5 years. So 4,000 times 5 years is equals to 20,000. So ang iyaang total depreciation after 5 years is 20,000. Nansira na nato ang katong first nga gipangita. Sunod, pangitaon na to ang yaang book value. Ang pagkuha sa book value, it's just equals to the first cost minus the total depreciation in 5 years. So, first cost nato is 50,000. So, ang atong D sub 5 is 20,000. And then, to finally get the book value after 5 years, so 50,000 minus 20,000, which is ang ato ang total depreciation after 5 years. So, 50,000 minus 20,000 is equals to 30,000. Mao na ato ang book value after 5 years. So, why did I use the straight line method? So, first, it is easy to calculate and understand. And second, it is due to its consistent expense across periods, making financial statements more predictable. And my third reason is it is best for assets that lose value evenly. So that's all.